She's a wild kitten, waiting to be tamed.
I can tell she's from Texas with that bandana.
She's an old one, but she's still got spunk. What you do here is you tie this lasso. She's gonna try to spring at you while you're tying the lasso. She's gonna try to jump at you. Don't be scared. Don't be scared. Go. Oh. You got her. She's gonna try and resist. Sometimes it comes loose. Oh. Got her. She's gonna look like she's choking. Probably because she is. Oh, Mrs. Bluebonnet. Good to see you came to town. Someone's stealing your pies, cooling on the windowsill. Yeah.